Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious muffins from a mix. First, gather all your ingredients, typically a muffin mix, 1 or 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Next, preheat your oven to the temperature indicated on the mix package, usually around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare a standard 12-cup muffin tin by lining it with paper cups or lightly greasing each cup. Now it's time to mix your batter. In a large bowl, combine the dry muffin mix with the wet ingredients, the eggs, milk, and oil. Stir everything together gently with a spoon or spatula until the ingredients are just moistened. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will result in tender muffins. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so keep it light. With your batter ready, it's time to fill the muffin cups. Carefully spoon the batter into each of the 12 prepared muffin cups, aiming for an even distribution. Make sure to fill each cup about 2/3 of the way full. This allows enough space for the muffins to rise beautifully without overflowing. Once all cups are filled, place the muffin tin directly into your preheated oven. Your muffins are now baking. They will typically need to bake for about 18 to 22 minutes, but always follow the specific instructions on your muffin mix package. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.